You were telling me during the break that we all need to make sure that we have our insurance policies. What exactly do you mean by that, as far as because there's so many different insurance policies, they're all important, but of course, do we need to kind of make sure that they're updated, that
Sure.
kind of thing?
Yeah, no, absolutely. And what I want to focus on today, and which I always do, and people laugh at me because apparently I talk about it a little too much for a lot of people's likings, but uninsured motorist coverage, which is part of your, obviously, your auto policy. You need to make sure that you have this. Actually, Kelly just mentioned that I went fishing, and one of the fishing guides that we had who's from South Louisiana was telling me about one of the cars that he has that's not worth a lot of money. It's like his third vehicle, kind of a beat up truck, and that he carries liability only on that vehicle. And when he told me that, one of the other lawyers that I work with, he kind of said, oh no, because he knew I was about to kind of go into my spiel about uninsured motorist coverage. Even if you have liability only, you still need to have uninsured motorist coverage on your vehicle. And you'll see the graphic there. It's auto insurance policy which covers you and your family or any passenger you have for an accident caused by a driver with no auto insurance. And what that graphic does not say, it also covers you if the driver doesn't, the other driver doesn't have enough insurance coverage. So what it does, it acts just like if that vehicle, the guy that hit you or the woman that hit you, had either no insurance or not enough insurance, your uninsured motorist coverage makes it look like that you did have insurance coverage, and it will cover you just as if she or he had coverage. So even if you have a vehicle, and we run into this a lot of times where someone has a car, let's say it's only worth $1,000, and you don't want to have full coverage. You don't want to have.
I have a car like that.
Well, I do too, and I have an extra vehicle,
that nobody's driving.
That's a clunker, you know, and I've had it since 1989, and we, just use it for special,
exactly.
things. But I carry liability only. I don't carry collision, because collision coverage is if you wreck it, then they have to repair your vehicle. Well, heck, if it's worth $500 like my truck probably is, you don't need it. And so, but you need uninsured motorist coverage in case you're in an accident in that vehicle and the other person.
I need to do that.
Oh, if you want, yeah,
Yeah,
absolutely.
I don't. I'm going to do it today.